Welcome. Today we're reviewing the Chuzhao Digital TLR camera, which claims to combine classic design with modern digital features. Is it worth buying? Let's find out together. The Chuzhao Digital TLR draws inspiration from 1920s twin-lens reflex cameras, giving it a charming vintage look. It features intricate details, like a mechanical focus wheel, and vertically aligned lenses, reflecting the craftsmanship of the original 1930s designs. However, upon closer inspection, the materials used reveal that the entire body is made of plastic, including the leather-like decorations. The lenses are acrylic instead of glass, which might affect durability and overall quality feel. The company advertises features such as 12-megapixel photo resolution and 1080p video recording. It also has a 1.54-inch IPS screen and a micro SD card slot, supporting up to 64 gigabytes. However, some users reported that the actual image sensor might be only 2 megapixels, resulting in lower than expected image quality. Additionally, the 1080p video may not be true full HD, but rather upscaled, with poor performance in low-light conditions. We looked into buyer reviews and found mixed opinions. Some users praised the vintage design and built-in digital features, while others complained about build quality and performance. For example, some mentioned that photos appear dull and grainy, and videos suffer from shakiness and low quality. Others reported that parts of the camera feel fragile and may break easily. Final verdict? If you're looking for a classic-looking camera for decoration or casual photography, the Chuzhao Digital TLR might be a fun choice. However, if you're aiming for high-quality photography or video performance, you might